Moss.
Moss is a noun that refers to a type of small, non-flowering plant that typically grows in dense, low-lying clumps or carpets. Mosses are commonly found in moist environments, such as forests, swamps, or on rocks and trees. They do not have true roots, stems, or leaves like other plants, but instead have simple, thread-like structures called rhizoids that anchor them to surfaces. In a broader sense, moss can also be used metaphorically to describe something that grows or spreads gradually and often unnoticed, similar to how moss gradually covers surfaces. For example, you might hear someone say, "Time has a way of mossing over memories," meaning that memories become hazy or less distinct over time. Here are a few examples of how moss is used in different contexts. 1. Botanical example. The forest floor was covered in a thick carpet of moss, creating a lush and vibrant green landscape. The damp rocks near the river were covered in moss, making them slippery to walk on. 2. Metaphorical example. Over the years, the abandoned house became mossed with neglect. Its once vibrant colors faded and its windows broken. Gossip tends to moss over time, spreading and distorting the truth with each retelling. Overall, moss is a versatile word that can be used to describe both a specific type of plant and as a metaphor for gradual growth or spreading.